guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for stopping by. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you're having a wonderful day wherever you are. Okay guys, so in today's video it was an impromptu one. I was just looking at my girl's room and I wasn't feeling how it's looking. Like I'm not feeling it anymore, so I wanted to clean it up and then swap the beds, which I'll be showing you guys in a bit. But I wanted to swap the beds. I'm sorry, my baby girl is here and she's the one pushing the tripod. She's always with me, so it is what it is. So I wanted to swap the beds. The tiny little bed, which looks more like a crib, which my daughter is using, though she doesn't sleep there often. She likes to sleep in my own bed. I'm not feeling the bed anymore. Nothing is wrong with the bed. It is still very much okay, just that I don't like the way it looks. I've searched for the size of the foam. I couldn't find, so I'm using one. I stacked up two tiny pillows, foam, not pillow. Did I say pillow before? Foam, you know, and it's not looking good. Like, I'm not feeling it, honestly. So I want to remove that bed and then take one bed from this side and place this side, like, so it will look more. You guys will get to see that. I don't know how to put it, but you will definitely see that. So I thought I should carry you guys along. I didn't plan to, you know, record this or to film this, but at the same time I thought I should film it, hoping to motivate one or two people out there. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you are new here and you are still considering to subscribe. Please subscribe. I do cleaning videos, even though I stopped for some time, but I'm starting all over again. I also do weight loss videos as well. Like, I do varieties here on this channel. Okay, so please consider subscribing if you want to be a part of this channel. Also, if you have any suggestions, you know, along the video, please kindly leave your suggestions in the comment section below. I'm open to suggestions. Okay, I'm trying to make my home a better place, so any suggestion is welcomed, and if I look into it and see that it's something I can do, then I will definitely do that. Okay, thank you guys, and let's jump right into the video. So this is what this room is looking like. This bed here, I'm no longer comfortable with it. My daughter is not even sleeping on it, so I don't know if it is because of how it looks that makes her not want to sleep in this bed. So I just want to take this off, like dismantle this bed, take it down to our garage. I don't know, I'm not just feeling it. Okay, this right here, we have 2 in 1 here, so I want to separate them, bring one over here and leave one over there. So that's what I'm going to do now and see how it turns out. Okay guys, so this is what I came up with. I don't know, I'm still contemplating if this particular bed should be here or this one. I don't know though I'm still going to turn this and push it towards the wall. It's not supposed to be like this. I'm just testing out stuff. Okay, I'm not done yet, but yeah, this is what this place is looking like. So I'm going to bring this one over here and this over here to see how it will look. What do you guys think? No. No. I don't think this is the best setting. No. I think this one should come over here, and that's what I'm going to do right now. Alright, so this is what we've got. I prefer it this way now. You can see the board that was right here before is now towards the wall, so it can be easier for her to, for this madam to come out from the bed. But when this board was over here, it was difficult. In fact, she was there crying for help. She was crying for help, so we had to come help her down. But now she can go up easily and come down. Let's see. Mama, come, stay here. Let's see. All right, mommy, come down. Let's see what happens. You see, very easy. But before, she was there crying because this thing prevented her from coming out. So this is the best, and she can easily go up. Mama, go. Brava. Yay. Your bed. She said, my bed. Oh, she's so cute. My bed. You need water. Favor, bring her water, please, old woman. And you can see her picture is over her bed. So this is her position, and this is her elder sister's position, which is up right here. Yes. Okay, so we are going to look for something to put on the floor. It's not going to remain like this, but for now I'm going to go ahead and clean the room, mop it, and yeah, that's it. Somebody is at the gate. Favor, go check.
It's Natalina.
Okay, open the gate for her. All right, so yeah, let me go ahead and mop the floor, you know, dust and tidy up this room, and we'll see the final look. I will also be making the bed as well. Are you drinking your water?
Yes.
Yes, good girl. my daughter's handwork. Papers everywhere. She's drawing on every paper in this house. Look at. Oh God. See, this one is an ice cream. She's trying though, but I don't like all these papers littered everywhere. Okay guys, so I'm done and this is what my girl's room looks like. So neat and well tidied up, as you can see. If you guys can remember how this place was from the beginning of this video. And this is my first daughter's bed. I'm sure she's going to love it. Right now she's not at home, she went for her lesson. By the time she comes back, she's going to be amazed. And this is my small madam. She's already in her bed minding her business. Yeah, so I forgot to clean that mirror. I just saw the stain there right now and I remembered I'll do that later. But yeah, this is what their room is looking like. I love it. Like, I'm so in love. It looks so amazing compared to what it was looking like before. And like I said before, I'm going to look for a carpet to, you know, place on the floor here. There was this plastic carpet. It's written ABCD and stuff that they were using before, so I took it off. I'm no longer feeling that one. I'm going to get a real rug and place it on the floor here at the center of their room, and that will be it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, this little clean with me, impromptu clean with me. I didn't plan to, you know, vlog this. I wanted to do it on my own, but I thought I should do it to give one or two persons out there a motivation to clean up your house. Okay. Thank you guys for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye. She said bye. Mommy, say bye. Okay.